Hello, my name's Lindsay Kittner. I'm the Senior VP and GM here at Tadiran Telecom. In today's presentation, I'm going to explain how using our Aeonix and Aeonix4Cloud platforms from Tadiran will set you apart from your competition. This PowerPoint will introduce you to Aeonix4Cloud and the benefits for the reseller over other cloud-hosted services. Before we begin, I want to do a brief review of Tadiran, the company. Tadiran is a subsidiary of Afcon Holdings in Israel. Afcon Holdings Group has led the Israeli market for decades, bringing remarkable experience to bear on developing unique, comprehensive solutions for multi-system projects and technologies. Traded on the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange, the group specializes in infrastructure, electromechanical systems, control and automation, communications, no matter how challenging or complex the project. Over the years, Tadiran has won many awards and many certificates with its Aeonix and Aeonix4Cloud platforms. Tadiran Telecoms provides a unique all-in-one solution supporting unified communications, contact centers, dispatch centers, cloud, and unified communications as a service, or commonly known as UCaaS. Our Aeonix platform is an all-in-one solution that has a single image that provides telephony, voice messaging, contact center, dispatch center, managed conference bridge, hospitality, and high availability. Additional functionality can be brought in via external applications, such as Session Border Controller, call logging, and call accounting. Our markets range from small SMB to enterprise, geographically dispersed offices, contact center, and cloud. They all use the same programming, and so if you know one, you know them all. Unlike other manufacturers that require multiple servers or instances to deploy a single system, Aeonix has an advantage in that a single image or server contains all the items that you see here in red. This saves the partner time in implementation and the customer the number of services or deployed instances in a VM environment. We think of Aeonix as an application engine. Its flexibility allows customers to use multiple applications or integrate these applications with existing deployed systems. Our compliance with industry standards has allowed Tadiran partners to deploy Aeonix systems alongside Mitel, Cisco, NEC, and other platforms. Aeonix can be deployed in any environment. It can be deployed natively on a server that supports Oracle Linux, which is virtualized in a VMware environment. Aeonix can also be deployed in private clouds and Microsoft Azure. 5 years ago, in response to the UCaaS explosion in the US, Tadiran demonstrated its expertise by developing a specialized portal that allows for the deployment of multi-instance environments of Aeonix and Microsoft Azure. Because of this, Tadiran has a unique advantage. It's the same product. So again, if you know one, you know them all. This is the architecture of our Aeonix4Cloud. Basically, the foundation in the data center is Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure continuously monitors instances for integrity. If an instance is discovered Microsoft creates and activates and deactivates instances for continuous business operations. Tadiran has also deployed replicated session border controllers by audio codes to provide access for remote users, SIP trunks, and security. Our Aeonix4Cloud web portal and database is also replicated within Microsoft Azure. When a proposal is converted to an order, our API creates an Aeonix instance automatically. Unlike other communication vendors that have gone to the cloud, Tadiran's focus is on a single platform. History has shown that vendors who split their products into two different categories, like Avaya, Mitel, and NEC, eventually pull products. Because of this two-pronged approach, they have two different R&D groups, two different sources of revenue that cannot sustain operations. Eventually, it forces the companies to focus on one product and sell UCaaS through another. Tadiran does not have that issue. Tadiran has one product, Aeonix. We've been selling this product for many years. Tadiran has been in business for over 60 years. Tadiran has one R&D group supporting Aeonix. The only difference with Tadiran Telecom's Aeonix products is one can be deployed in a OpEx environment and one can be purchased as a CapEx to be purchased and deployed on a customer's premise. Because Tadiran Telecom is a single product, we are bringing enterprise applications to the cloud. Our Aeonix4Cloud platform has the features and functions requested by on-premise customers who move to the cloud that other UCaaS vendors do not support. These features include full desktop control with our touch PC, zone paging with scheduled announcements for education, retail, or manufacturing environments, and up to 6 devices per Aeonix4Cloud user. Unlike other pure SIP-based systems, Aeonix handsets support features access for forward, do not disturb, and others at the server or system level. It will not interfere with pre-programmed applications. We also have shared line appearance buttons when they're programmed or stored in the Aeonix server. And we also have automatic firmware updates in our system. We have visual part keys that can be shown both on our handsets and in our touch clients. We also support legacy features like squared key system or line appearance, so that if you have customers that maybe have old Toshiba systems that have the features requirements for line 1, line 2, line 3, put it on hold and flash across the phones, we can support that in a UCaaS environment, and we're one of the only vendors that can do that. We also support dynamic outbound caller ID based on the line appearance that you push on the phone as well. We have a wide range of phones, anywhere from an entry-level gigabit phone, 2-line phone, all the way up to a video phone. All phones are fully provisioned through our Aeonix4Cloud portal and web GUI, and buttons can be programmed either via the web portal or it can be programmed directly on the phone itself. Our Aeonix Touch is the same user interface across all 4 platforms, whether it be iOS, whether it be Android, PC, or Chromebook. It's the same form factor, user interface, and all information is shared between all four platforms. So if you program a virtual button on your mobile device, when you open up your touch PC, it will show up on that one as well. The phones can be used either, again, as a soft phone or full control of your desk phone. And we also support SMS and MMS, as well as internal chat on our touch clients. Additionally, every single Aeonix4Cloud user has a moderator license for Zoom, not the free one that is available for Zoom, but a full moderator license with the ability of doing whiteboarding, sharing of files, chat, recording, etc. So Zoom collaboration is included with each one of our Aeonix4Cloud licenses. Our Aeonix4Cloud also supports a full contact center. We can support up to 600 agents, active agents, in a contact center. We have over 3,000 installations of Aeonix Contact Center worldwide, because remember, it's the same platform, whether it's on-prem or in the cloud. We can support up to 1,000 IVR ports. We can do outbound campaigns automatically. We can do abandoned call reports automatically. We can do callbacks to abandoned calls automatically. We can run it in a PC type environment, or we can run it with a PC-less environment, meaning you can just put buttons on the phones to do program for log in, log out, release, resume, etc. Our Aeonix Contact Center is a web-based application that supports agents, supervisors, and administrators. The web-based ACC agent empowers agents in the contact center to control their status. They can see active calls, call status, call history, while increasing their productivity. The ACC web agent can be used in conjunction with a desk phone or a mobile touch client. The ACC real-time screens provide supervisors with up-to-date information to optimize call flow and agent productivity. ACC supervisors can also control their agent status with the ACC Council Manager. The ACC Script Designer allows for customized IVR scripts in multiple languages to be programmed to front-end the contact center, empowering callers to get the information that they need without agent intervention. The ACC admin programming allows administrators to intuitively program agents, skill levels, profiles, call groups, thresholds for real-time monitoring, work schedules, and overflow information, all from intuitive web-based screens. The ACC historical reports can automatically be generated and emailed to users with either PDF or Excel attachments. ACC supervisors can use 32 pre-programmed templates to customize the reports and formulas to get the information that they need on their contact center, historical and performance. Recording on demand in Aeonix4Cloud is included for all users. Recordings are stored for up to 90 days. Active recording is normally a requirement for dedicated Aeonix contact center agents and supervisors. That's why we include this feature at no additional charge with up to 90 days of retention of your recordings. The standard Aeonix4Cloud user can also have full-time recording as an option. And again, customers who need additional retention months beyond the 90 days is also available. One important differentiator between Tadiran Telecom and other UCaaS providers is that you own the customer. Unlike 8x8, RingCentral, and others who own the customer and consider the partner an agent, at Tadiran, we see the selling partner and customer relationship as being very important. Without that relationship moving forward, it does not include benefits, and UCaaS then becomes a Me Too product out there. We look for partners and customers to have long-term beneficial relationships at Tadiran. In summary, Tadiran has a proven track record of over 60 years of positive cash flow and excellent customer experience. It's the same platform for both on-premise and cloud. Our Aeonix4Cloud portal and Aeonix for customers, new partners, have no upfront costs. The portal, Aeonix4Cloud, provides easy prospecting and quoting and activation. We have a simplified pricing scheme with only 4 licenses. And remember, you get up to 6 devices per user. Tadiran also has a tax as a service, allowing you to offload remitting and reporting out of your company. Our operations are based in the US, and we're here to promote your brand. We do not want to be an agent and sell the same product as everyone else. Thank you for taking the time to review this presentation. And if you have further questions, please feel free to contact us at Tadiran at the number here, or you can send an email to marketing@tadirantelecom.com. Thank you.